Hey YouTubers, Steven here. How's everybody doing? Well, I wanted to make a stick stove and, well, I finally got around to it. So we're down here at Pine Peak today. It's -16. There's a storm coming in tomorrow. So I wanted to test this little bad boy out, and we're going to make some maple bacon hot chocolate. We picked this up at Henniger's Farm Market in Wolfville, Nova Scotia, just down the road, sort of. But been meaning to try this. So yeah, this little stick stove. It's just basically a tomato can. I put in a false bottom. That way the air can come in through the bottom and then come up through the center. How I did the design on this was inspired by Jeep. He has a YouTube channel called Econo Challenge. I'll put a link in the description below. I had a few ideas that I wanted to put together. I wanted this to be a little different, so versatile, so that I'm not losing the space in here. I can actually compact this down. I'm going to use these little tent pegs to slide in through the holes to hold that into place. And I also have holes up here as well, so that I can put my alcohol stove in here. So if it's windy, that it can help, you know, be a windbreak. Plus it's a sturdier base, you know, for my pot. So it's cold. I know my battery's not going to last. And I don't have a whole lot of time in the woods today. So I have to make this quick. So let me move the camera and let's get a little fire going in this and see if it works. Alright, I got quite a bit of birch bark in there. We're just going to cheat today and use a match. Yeah. See how that does. Oh, I see it lighting on the other side. This is good. Unfortunately, the smoke's going right in the camera. Alright. So far, so good. Alright, well, that's not going so bad for, you know, just some junk pine sticks. Let's get some water in the kettle here. True test. I should check with my phone and time how long this takes. Bear with me. I'll hit the stopwatch and hopefully that's on focus, but let's see how long this takes to boil. Haha, right on. Alright, I don't know if that comes in, but 17 minutes. Finally got to a boil. Yay! So, you know, all in all, it wasn't too bad, but you really got to stog it full of for wood. But look at that. Oh yeah, definitely a nice boil. Got my hot chocolate mix. Be very careful here. Oh yeah. Oh yes, that looks so good. Now I gotta find something to stir that with, and we'll be back. Alright, so the hot chocolate's finally cooled down enough that I can give this a little sip. So let's try this maple bacon hot chocolate, shall we? Cheers. Tastes like hot chocolate to me. I don't know. Either or, it's good. It's cold down here, so yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. The stick stove worked pretty good, all in all. I think my alcohol stove would boil water a little quicker, but yeah, maybe the false bottom would be better not to have that in there. That would give me a little more space to put the sticks down inside, but I do have a bigger can, like a taller can. That would actually probably be a better deal for that, so I don't know. Stay tuned. I might make a version 2 if I don't know. We'll have to see if I make a version 2. But anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. And you know, if you get an idea, it's just, you know, scrap metal or whatever, you know, stuff that's laying around, go for it. Doesn't have to be pretty, as long as it's functional. So, cheers, everybody, and we'll catch you next time.